Hello my draped babes, it's Ashley with Draped Premium Hair and we're back with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to co-wash your hair bundles using our Draped Premium Hair Raw Cambodian Deep Wave texture. So let's get into the tools. You'll want an empty sink to fill less than a quarter of the way with water and like a tablespoon of shampoo. Pro tip, if you've had your bundles for a while and they've been sitting, they've likely collected dust, so you want to cleanse them along with your co-wash. For today's tutorial, I am using the Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen shampoo and conditioner. I find that it works the best with this hair. And I'm only cutting the labeling off at this point. I'm not cutting the bands until we're ready to air dry. I'm also prepared with a hanger, a pair of scissors, and a detangling brush. As you can see, I'm squeezing a generous amount of the conditioner onto the hair, and I'm starting at the ends. Always begin at the ends of your bundles when detangling, whether they're installed or not. For optimal use and to prevent a lot of breakage, you want to begin at the ends and work that conditioner all the way through. I totally started to cut this part of the video out because the water is so dirty, but that just goes to show you when your bundles are sitting around, whether they've been worn or not, they are collecting dust. So you want to cleanse them before installing them into your hair. I'm now just rinsing out all of that conditioner using cold water, running my hands through it and making sure that it's completely detangled. And there you have it. Your hair is now cleansed and conditioned and ready to air dry. You'll notice that I steered away from using any oils in this tutorial, even though it's not a bad idea for the wavy and curly textures to moisturize them with oil. I just find that it causes buildup and makes you have to wash it much sooner. If you like the video, definitely give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!